my name's Ronan. Today we are taking a look at Cockpit spray from Würth, South Africa. And the benefits of this product is that it leaves a satin finish, as well as it enhances the visual effects and appearance of your interior plastics, as well as rubbers or rubber mats within your car. Very simple to use. You're going to spray directly onto your interior about 20 centimeters away. You're going to wait a couple of minutes, and simply from there you're going to take a microfiber cloth and you're just going to wipe it off. What's nice, it leaves a satin finish. It's got a lovely lemony citrus smell. Also, it leaves an anti-glare on your dash. It's also anti-static. Please try not to spray it on your windows, as it's going to leave like an oily residue on it, so try and avoid that at all costs. Other than that, you're going to need this for your cars. It'll also just help your car's appearance. Thanks.